Children, we have finished solved examples and now we will start practice set 8.2. Question number 1. Draw rectangle ABCD such that length AB is 6 cm and length BC is 4.5 cm. So how to write the solution? First we will draw a rough figure, rectangle ABCD whose length AB is 6 cm, length BC is 4.5 cm. So now ABCD is a rectangle. Now which property we will use? Opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Now when opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent and we know length AB is 6 cm, so what will be length CD? It will be same. And if we know length BC is 4.5, what will be length AD? This will also be same. Therefore length BC is equal to length AD, which is equal to 4.5 cm. Okay. Now the angle, measure of each angle of a rectangle is what? 90 degree, because in rectangle all the angles are right angle. So measure of each angle is 90 degree. Therefore measure angle A is equal to measure angle B is equal to 90 degree. Let us construct this rectangle by the given information. First of all, take a ruler and draw one segment as 6 cm. So take length as 6 cm, 0 to 6, and write down over there 6 cm. Give the name as AB. After drawing this segment, what you have to do? You have to take the exact measurement of 4.5 cm. Which length? As length BC is 4.5 cm, we will take from B as 4.5 cm arc. So let us take 4.5 in our compass. Okay. So take from B as 4.5 cm and from A also 4.5 cm. And now as it is a right angle, what we have to put? We have to put on point A our protractor towards 90 degree and put a point. Here also from B put a dot towards 90 degree and then join B towards that arc and draw a ray. Here also from point A draw a ray towards that arc. Now as you know, this AB is equal to the opposite side. This length is equal to what? This side is 4.5 cm. So let us take AB as 6 cm. Same segment you have to take from that arc and draw one arc. And then you will join this. You will join this arc to the earlier arc. In this way we have constructed a rectangle ABCD. This point is C and this point is D. As each angle is 90 degree, so let us make a 90 degree. And now you can join the diagonal also, D to B and now A to C. So in this way we have completed the first question of practice set 8.2. So answer is what? Rectangle quadrilateral ABCD is a required rectangle. Quadrilateral ABCD is the required rectangle. In this way you will write down the answer. Now the first question is over. Children, first what you have to do? Solution, then draw the rough figure. Now put the property over there, write down this property. Opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Then the opposite lengths are equal. Then measure of each angle is 90 degrees. So show the angle, and in this way you have to construct the rectangle. This is question number 1 of practice set 8.2. Let us see same practice set 8.2 question number 2. Draw a square WXYZ with side 5.2 cm. Here also you have to draw a rough figure. All sides are equal because square has all sides equal. So WXYZ I have drawn Now the side is given as 5.2 centimeter. So each side is 5.2 centimeter. So in rough figure also you can show these segments. And now with which property we will solve? All sides of a square are congruent. In the solution you will write all sides of square are congruent. Therefore length wx is equal to length xy is equal to length yz is equal to length zw. All sides are equal. They are equal to 5.2 centimeter. Then each angle of a square is a right angle. Therefore measure angle x is equal to measure angle y is equal to 90 degree. So in this way the solution part is over. Now let us construct a square. We have to construct a square wxyz with side 5.2. So let us take 5.2 centimeter. First we will draw one base of 5.2 centimeter. So take from 0 to 5.2 and now name this as xy. This segment as xy. Put a dot over there and now draw 5.2 centimeter. Take 5.2 centimeter in your compass and draw arcs from y also and from x also. In this way you have drawn, and now take a protractor and show 90 degree angle, because each angle of a square is what? It is a 90 degree. It is a right angle. So towards 90 degree you put a dot from x, and from y also you will put a dot towards 90 degree. And then what you will do? You will draw rays. In this way draw two rays towards 90 degree from x and from y. After that, from first arc, this first arc towards this point, opposite point, draw one arc and then join both the segments. This segment you have to join. Now let's see, all the sides are equal. So name this side. Here this point is w, this x, y and z. Each angle is a right angle. Show right angle as like this, and now all sides are equal. So you can show the diagonal also. So from w to y you can join in this way. From z to x also you will show the diagonal, and now both the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So here also what we have seen, draw a square of wxyz with side 5.2. So you have written the solution also, rough figure and the construction. What is the last answer? Quadrilateral wxyz is a required square. Is a required square. Okay. Now let us see, question number 2 is over. Now let's see question number 3. So in question number 3, here we have to draw a rhombus KLMN such that its side is 4 centimeter, and you know rhombus, all sides are equal in rhombus, that is 4 centimeter, and one angle is given as measure angle K is 75 degree. So draw the rough figure with this information. So here KLMN is a rough figure, and now all sides are equal, that is 4 centimeter. One angle is given as 75 degree. We have to find major angle L here. So first of all, show the solution. Adjacent angles of rhombus are supplementary. When angle is to be found, what we have to write? Angles. About angles. What we know about angles in rhombus? Which property you can use? So adjacent angles of a rhombus are supplementary. What do you mean by supplementary? Both the measure of those two angles, those who are adjacent, their measure is 180 degree. So now see here, measure angle K plus measure angle L, they are adjacent angles, so their measures will be 180 degree. So we know K, we can find L now. So what is measure angle K plus measure angle L is equal to 180. K is 75 degree plus measure angle L is equal to 180 degree. Therefore measure angle L is equal to 180 minus 75, that is 105. Therefore measure angle L is equal to 105 degree, and then we will write down here as measure angle L is 105 degree. Now all the sides of rhombus are congruent. That means length KL length KL, length LM, length MN and length KN. All is equal to 4 centimeter. Here also we will have to construct a rhombus. First of all, what you will do, you will draw one base segment as KL is equal to what? 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter here from 0 to here 4. Okay. So take 4 centimeter and now the measure. So here this measure is 4 centimeter. Write down the measurement. This is as 4 centimeter and write down the names KL. Now you know measure angle K is given as 75 degree. So put a protractor on K and mark the measure as 75 degree. So from where you will take? From L, 0 to 70 to 80, and this will be 75 degree. Okay, and draw a ray towards that 75 degree. This will be your 75 degree. And now what we have to take? All sides of rhombus are equal. So from this all sides are equal, that is 4 centimeter. From K also we will take one arc. From L also we will take from arc. And from this arc we will join one arc towards this opposite arc. In this way, what you have to do? 4 centimeter arcs we have drawn. So this intersection point we have to take as 4 centimeter. This will be your 4 centimeter arc. This will be also 4 centimeter. Now join this arc, intersection arc, towards the first arc. This is also 4 centimeter. Now name this KL, M and N. In this way we have drawn a rhombus. Now join the diagonals of both the opposite angles by joining this segment. So diagonal KL, KM and diagonal LN. So they are perpendicular to each other. And now measure this angle L. Measure this angle as L. So it is what? 105. Exactly you will measure it. So you will get it as 105 degree. So this measure is 105 degree. Put the measure and write down the answer. Therefore quadrilateral KLMN is the required rhombus. Okay children, the 3 questions of 8.2 we have finished now. Understood? And from the 4th example we will complete in the next period. Thank you.